Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we will practice slow English. I will tell everything about my day, how how did spend my day. So my friend, let's start the video. So today I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I drank 2 glasses of lukewarm water. I grabbed a towel and I went to washroom. I had shower. Then I wiped my body with towel and I dried my hair with towel. I brushed my teeth. Then I offered puja to sun god. I came back to my room. I sat on a yoga mat and I did yoga for 2 hours. I finished yoga at 9 p.m. a.m. I finished yoga at 9 a.m. Then I took 5 minute rest. Then I had some fruits. I had papaya, apple, and some other fruits. I had some dry fruit also. Then I walked upstairs to my kitchen. I had full meal. You can see I had breakfast. So in breakfast today, mixed veg was made by my sister-in-law and chapati. I spreaded clarified butter on my chapati and I enjoyed dinner. Oh, and I enjoyed breakfast. Then I walked downstairs and I had some supplement with lukewarm water. I swept my room floor. Then I took 20-minute stroll in the courtyard. Then I sat on my workplace and I started doing my business work. At 3 o'clock, I took some break and I went upstairs to kitchen and I had porridge, mixed porridge. Then I walked downstairs and 4 o'clock I did some work. I called some prospects and some people and I told them about my work. I approached them. Then so that was my then work. Then 7 o'clock in evening I had dinner. So that was my day today. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.